Welcome back to my channel. The stitch pattern in front of you is called the ruled lattice stitch. You can see it's a very open and lacy stitch. It's also extremely lightweight and is worked up in rows. But it's also very stable because it has a single crochet in between. So this is the back of it. Grab your hook and your yarn and let's try this out. Let me just move that one side. So this stitch is worked up in rows, which I did mention. And the best part of it is that it is quick and extremely simple. You will start with a multiple chain of 4. And to that 4, you're going to add 2 more. So I'm going to make, let's say 20. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And to that 20, I'm going to add 2 more. So I have a total of 22 yarn. You're going to, for row 1, single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and then single crochet in each chain across your row. So just 1 single crochet in each chain across. This is row 1. For row 2, chain 7. And turn your work. We are starting on row 2. Skip 2 stitches into your third stitch, 1 single crochet. Your repeat is chain 7, skip 3 stitches, in the next stitch, 1 single crochet. Seven chain, skip 3 into the fourth one, 1 single crochet. You will continue to work in this way until you have 2 stitches remaining. So there we are. There's our last 2 stitches. You're going to chain 3, skip 1 stitch, and in your very last stitch, you're going to make 1 double crochet. This is row 2. For row 3, turn your work. You're going to make 1 single crochet into the top of your double crochet of the previous round. This is how you are starting row 3 with a single crochet. Chain 3. Now you're going to single crochet into the top of your chain 7. And your repeat is chain 3, single crochet into the top of your 7 chain. Chain 3, single crochet into the top of your chain 7. You will continue to work in that manner until you get to the end of your row. So that's the end of it. For row 4, chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet into the very first stitch, that single crochet of the previous row. 3 single crochets into the chain 3 space. single crochet into the next single crochet. So the one in the middle that you made on top of the 7 chain, 1 single crochet. Your repeat is, for this row, 3 single crochets on top of the 3 chain. 1 single crochet on top of the single crochet of the previous row. 3 single crochets on your 3 chain, 1 single crochet on the single crochet of the previous row. And you will repeat this until you get to the very end of your work. Now you remember here you have to do 3, and on your single crochet you make another single crochet. This is row 4. You will repeat rows 2, 3, and 4 until you get to your desired length. It's extremely quick and easy to work up. So this is the one. Let me just put both side by side. And this is what you have. Extremely fast and simple to work up. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this pattern. This is the Queen Phoenix out.